Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. This is Darth Vader's TIE Fighter from the Star Wars film. You may notice from the handwritten price label, this is one that came from a charity shop, £3.50. And I thought I would have a little go at it, see what it comes out like. So, let's get on with it. The instructions are quite nice, they're all in colour, which is a novelty. Although it looks like they do actually fold out to some fairly monstrous thing. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. They're going to take up quite a lot of space. But anyway, they're nice, they're in colour, so that's nice. Put those to one side for a minute. Right, let's have a look in the bag. Yeah, at first glance they don't seem too bad. There's quite a lot of detail on it. There's also quite a lot of, I don't know if you can see those, injection moulding points. Basically, what these marks are, if you ever see these on a model or on anything plastic, they're ejector pins. When the object is moulded, they're inside a metal mould, and to get the piece out there are pins that push out and push the part out of the mould, and because the plastic is still slightly soft at this point, it marks the plastic, and that's what these are. These are ejector pin marks. But never mind, we can soon sort that out. Of course, that's going to be fun masking that. Yeah, there's a lot of detail on this, and it's quite a nice moulding as well. There's no, I'm not seeing any flashing or anything anywhere. And the other thing that's nice as well is each part has the number actually moulded into it. So as well as having it on the frame, it's also on each part, which is useful. So yeah. Oh, well, it even comes with a little Darth Vader figure. How about that? Oh, now this is interesting, because I think these parts here go on the inside. Oh, they do, yes. Ah, so that's clever. So actually we don't need to worry about those ejector marks, because they're covered up by those. That's quite a good bit of design on the part of Revell, I have to say. Well done, Revell. Yeah, the interior's fairly detailed. Not massively detailed, but detailed enough. Yeah, I think this is going to be quite a nice little kit to build. Right, let's get on with it. Now this is kind of interesting. I was just mentioned about masking this up, but I just found in the box there's a tiny little decal sheet, and it actually has a decal to go over the canopy. But I think, to be honest, despite the fact it's going to be an awful job, I think it would make more sense to mask this and paint it than it would to try and apply this decal. I don't think it would really go on very well. But yeah, it's nice that they give it to you. So yeah.
Drop the load.
And here is the finished article. This was a fun little build. I must admit I'm not much of a fan of Star Wars as I used to be when I was a kid, but yeah, I seem to have ended up with quite a lot of these Revell Star Wars kits, and this is the first one I've built. So yeah, it was fun. It wasn't too difficult. It was an interesting little project. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.